here, Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to export an Asana template project. So if you haven't got a project template created already, you can go ahead and easily do it by clicking on the Create tab, Project, and then having to scroll through the different templates that are available. But I already have a project that I created from a template. So I'm going to click on my projects. And I created this content calendar a little earlier. So I'm going to show you how to export it so you can follow along. So I'm going to click onto my calendar. I'm going to turn it into a board. And if I want to export it, all I have to do is look to the name of my project and then click on the arrow, which is the Actions tab next to the project name. Click on that, scroll down to where it says export, and I'm going to scroll across and click on project tasks. It'll ask me the format I want to export it in and which custom fields to export. It shows you what is recommended. When you're happy, all you need to do is click on export and you can see it's been downloaded onto my computer. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.